Hi everyone, today we are going to be calculating fractions of amounts. So let's have a look at some questions. Okay, so we've got 2/5 of 15, and this can be expressed in exactly the same way as 2/5 multiplied by 15. So I'm going to show it to you visually first, and then we can use our written strategy. Okay, so 2/5 of 15. We essentially need to get that 15 and share it between 5 circles or 5 groups. So we can go through and use dots essentially. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we have in our 5 groups, we have got 3. So the fraction is telling us to select 2 of the 5 parts. So I'm going to select any 2, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to select 2 of them, and then I'm going to count how many dots are inside both groups. So I can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore 2/5 of 15 is equivalent to 6, or 2/5 multiplied by 15 is also the same as 6. Okay, so now that you've seen it visually, in school we taught you the method of divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. So I'm just going to put that up here just so we don't forget. Divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. So this strategy is exactly the same as the visual one I've just showed you, but it's using more mental calculation rather than visual representations. So the first strategy we would need to use is that divide by the denominator. So we would do 48 divided by 4, because that is our denominator. 48 divided by 4 is 12. And then we would then take that answer, and then it would be the start of our next number sentence. 12, and then we need to do the next step, multiply by the numerator. 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. So therefore 1/4 of 48 is equivalent to 12. Right then, our next calculation says 4/6 of 78. So I'm just going to write down the strategy again just so I don't forget. Divide by the denominator, multiply by the numerator. Okay, so I'm going to do 78 divided by 6. Okay, so this goes above our multiplication knowledge, but that's okay. So 10 times 6 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72, and then if I add another 6, it's going to be 78. So 78 divided by 6 is 13, and then I'm going to take that answer, it's going to be the start of my next number sentence, 13 multiplied by 4. Okay, some of you may be able to do this mentally, and that's absolutely fine, because you could use the double it and then double it again strategy, or you can use your written short multiplication if you're a little unsure. So I'm going to go for that strategy just to be really accurate. So 13 multiplied by 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 1 times 4 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. So therefore 13 multiplied by 4 is 52. So therefore 4/6 of 78 is 52. It's just really crucial you remember that divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. Okay, and there we have it. It's now time for you to choose your star activity and complete that in your purple exercise book. Good luck, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.